If you've ever wanted to make booking a meeting with your team easier for your website visitors, today's tutorial is just for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to embed a scheduling widget from HubSpot onto both an external web page and a HubSpot landing page. By the end, you'll have a fully functioning booking tool on your site, making it super simple for your prospects or clients to lock in a meeting without endless back-and-forth emails. Let's jump right in, starting with how to embed the meeting scheduler on an external web page. First, log into your HubSpot account and go straight to the Sales menu at the top. Under Sales, find Meetings Scheduler. This is where all your meeting links live. Hover your cursor over the specific meeting you want people to book. Think of this as the digital handshake you want to offer your site visitors. Next, look for the Actions drop-down menu on the right side. Click that and select Embed. HubSpot will generate a bit of HTML code for you here. If you're new to HTML, don't be intimidated. It's just like instructions for your web page, telling it where and how to display your scheduling widget. Click the button that says Copy Code. Now, you've got the embed code ready to go, almost like copying directions to a clipboard before heading out. Now it's time to paste that code into your external web page. Find the spot in your site's HTML, maybe it's your contact page or right beside a service description, where you want the widget to appear. Paste in the code and save your changes. If this part feels technical, take a breath. You might need to consult your web developer if you're not comfortable working in HTML, but most website builders have a section for pasting code snippets. Once you hit Save, the widget should show up right where you placed it, ready for visitors to click and schedule a meeting. All right, let's shift gears and look at how to embed the scheduling widget directly onto a HubSpot landing page. Start by navigating to content in your HubSpot dashboard, and then select either website pages or landing pages, depending on where you want the scheduler to go. Hover over the page you want to use and click Edit, a little like cracking open a notebook to add a new section. Inside the page editor, you'll see a left-hand panel. Look for the Meetings module there. This is a special block designed for exactly this purpose, and you can simply drag and drop it onto your page layout. Think of it as snapping a piece of a puzzle into place. It's designed to fit your workflow perfectly. Once the module is in your layout, click on it, and a new set of options appears. You'll see a drop-down menu of available meeting links. Select the one you want to share, making sure it matches your specific goal for this page. Whether you're inviting people to a discovery call or a demo, you want to pick the most relevant meeting link. When you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to click Publish or Update in the editor. This saves all your changes and pushes your new, interactive scheduling widget live for your visitors. It's a great feeling knowing website visitors can now schedule meetings themselves, cutting out the confusion and letting you focus on what matters most. And that's it. You've now embedded a scheduling widget in HubSpot both on an external page and directly on a HubSpot landing page. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides. If you have any questions or if you hit a snag in the process, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out and maybe even make a follow-up video if you need more details. Thanks for watching, and best of luck getting those meetings booked.